Another another good example of that, if I go to my custom channel right here, this little window that's going to pop up in the middle, this is another good example of how we take this data and we do something special with it. And this example here is looking at the today's range. So we know what normal range for the day. We know what the normal distance for every stock from its low of the day to its high of the day. You know, what's that average daily bar look like? But when that daily bar starts to really expand and get bigger, you know, like this guy right here, stuff is happening and it's in play. So it brings that to your attention. Right here, this window, while I'm looking at all these stocks that have a very large daily range today, I'm sorting it on the position in today's range. And so what I'm getting here is, where is that stock currently in relationship to its intraday high and low? So this guy right here, SGH, is pretty close to its high of the day. I think there's a little wick up here right before the market closed that is telling you it's not at its high, but it's really, really close. So if I was to then sort this right here on today's range percentage, now I'm going to bring in all the guys that have the largest range for the day. And this guy here just kind of had a failed run, but these guys are doing 4 times their normal size of that daily range. So a big range yesterday on the gap, and it had another big range today.